Alright, I'm along for the ride for you here, testing out the Colton Diamonds area. I haven't ran anything over this yet. I did program the Cobalts, they're IP digitals, so they're DCC controlled on the crossovers and one turnout into the siding, but we won't go over that one. But we'll test the crossovers here, and like I said, I'm along for the ride with you. There's no turnout controls on the sidings though, or the spurs. Call me a lucky dog. Then I can dial up crossover 402, and I'm going to throw it. Exit there. Go back to my train, reverse it, and let's see how we do. Look at that. All right, do I get it? Do I get anything for this? Do I get the biscuit or Okay, let's try throwing 401, which is the other one. The other crossover, that is. I'll throw it. Go back to my train. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Alright. Let's go try going 402 and go straight through this time. See what we got. Oops, I forgot to hold that down. Yeah. So this is a turnout that goes into a siding, and it's number 403. And the reason why I put it on a DCC controlled turnout is it'll probably get used every once in a while as a passing track. So I thought the dispatcher might ought to have control. So let's see how we do going through that. Look at that. Sweet. Throw some caboose ground throws on those other turnouts and we're golden.